Hey, look. Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you looking for a change in your job or looking for a career in IT sector? Then this video is for you. 4Achiever introducing summer training program in the month of April, where we're gonna teach you lots of IT related trainings like Java, Python, software testing, manual automations, both. 4Achiever summer training program is the perfect opportunity to get a head start in the career in IT industry. Our experienced instructor will guide you through the hands-on projects and real-world scenario to give you a deep understanding of the technology and tools which use in IT industry. Sounds interesting? So, if you really have a hunger to get a high-paying salary in IT sector, do not do further delay, because April is about to start and we're gonna launch our summer training program. To enroll in this, you just need to connect with us, and our counselor will help you and guide you the future program, that how we can design and how you can get a high-paying salary in IT sector. So without doing further delay, please contact us.